Are you encountering the BSOD error page fault in non-paged area on your Windows 11 PC? In the next few seconds, I'll guide you through 2 quick fixes to resolve this issue and get your system running smoothly again. Go to Search menu and type Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. chkdsk per f/r press Y on the keyboard to schedule the disk check on restart. Go back to Search menu and type mdshed.exe. Press Enter to open Windows Memory Diagnostic. Select Restart Now and check for problems. Recommended. Right-click on the Start menu button and select Device Manager. Right-click on a device and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software. Repeat Step 2 and Step 3 for all the other devices. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.